Haitians versus Dominicans. I'm Haitian and I'm proud to be. But I got a question though. The Haitians that are getting killed and kidnapped in Haiti right now, are they being killed and kidnapped by the Dominicans or by the Haitians? Are they being mistreated in their own country by the Dominicans or by the Haitians? Are they being treated like refugees in their own home by the Dominicans or by the Haitians? See, if all your government does is destroy his own home, you cannot expect a neighbor to give your children a place to stay. The children are the people. Now, the Haitian people are innocent. They're trying to survive. They're trying to live. They have the right to live like everybody else. Yeah. They have the right to breathe, the right to sell, the right to do business, the right to hang out, go out, partake, participate. But all of those rights are gone in their own country. So therefore, they got to go somewhere else where they can get those rights, right? You can blame the Dominicans saying this and that, but we do have a country. But Haiti's being ran by imbeciles. That's the problem. A bunch of senators that are gang members, even president that was a gangster. Nobody cares. The government is not doing its job in Haiti. So therefore, that's what you have. But most people think that the Haitians don't want to build. They don't want to do anything. Now, look what they're doing now with the Canal. The Dominicans got 11. They're trying to build just one. And it's nothing but chaos now. Your dream is in your own country. Donald Trump said this: there will be no Haiti. In the future, Haiti will not exist. You probably heard this and you're like, oh, it's just talking out there. This is a crazy president. He's just talking. Do you know what he has heard? Do you know what he has seen? He was the most powerful man. At one point, you know, some information was being disclosed to him. So he knows what you don't know. You even had a prime minister in Haiti by the name of Joseph Jout. He said Haiti does not exist in the real world. Haiti does not exist on paper. You got a prime minister now, Ariel Henry, who put him in power. I heard he got in power just because via a tweet. Somebody tweeted and then they put him in power. He's playing all the... Now, if you never knew what it feels like to be a king, Ariel Henry in Haiti, the prime minister, the current prime minister now, is the perfect example of what a king is. sovereign government. Absolute power. He's playing the role of prime minister, of a prime minister, president, chief of police, foreign exchange, all senators. He's the body of it all. Anything that you want done, you got to talk to him. He has the absolute power. Who put him in power? Nobody. Now, what I want the Dominicans to understand, when you see the poor Haitians coming to your home, trying to eat, trying to survive, don't kill them. Don't beat them. Don't mistreat them, because I guarantee you, if the Haitians had a government that was responsible, there wouldn't be on your territory. Trust me. Because remember, when you did not want the Spain to rule you and you wanted a country to rule you, to help you, you contacted the Haitians. And they stayed there for 25 years because you needed order in your country. Now, this is not me telling you, coming up with shit. This is fact, history. All right? So when you see the poor Haitians now, don't think that they're stupid, because look at me. I'm in the United States providing jobs for others, being an entrepreneur myself, making things happen. If you see me in your own country, you're not gonna know if I'm Haitian unless I tell you. Not because of how I look, but if you see me with a group of people always speaking his English, not broken English, you're not gonna come to me and say, I need your paper, I need your document. But if you see me dirty, even though I have this knowledge that I have now, but if you see me dirty and walking around begging, trying to look for a job, automatically you'll assume that I'm Haitian. Because, you know, they have nobody to protect them, nobody to help them. They're on their own. Look, $10 million were given to build that canal that you see the Haitians are trying to collect money together. They're using GoFundMe now. The Haitian people. All right. Are having a GoFundMe to build a canal that's going to help the Haitian people and the government, when there was $10 million available to do that shit. When Jovenel Moïse was in power, all that money is gone. Haiti is the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. Really? Are we sure about that? Haiti has enough money to look just like Florida. We're talking about billions of dollars that were stolen while the people are dying in the street of starvation. Billions of dollars. Billions of dollars. Not 1, 2, 3, 4. We're talking about more than $20 billion for the past 10 years. Do you know what this money can do? $27,000